Spirit,
Ons sê,
hoe gaan het?
gesaal.
So, is die tye verskil, Spirit?
Ja, dis Daylight Savings wat aangeskuif het. Alles is weer uur aan tot en met Maart toe. En dan weer van Maart tot November is weer uur terug. So gaan dit maar aan elke jaar.
So London session is nou 10 uur.
Korrek.
Okay. Ek het weer TP gehit, man. Nou net.
Ja, wel dan. Goeienaand, Rian, welkom terug.
Dan sê
Naam sê ek vir julle.
loop die dinge.
Nee, reguit hom. Reguit in ons bo. Maar hy loop.
Dit was goed.
Dit nou daar.
Ek is reg vir hierdie maand, boys.
Ja, saal.
Ek dink ek weet nie of julle ouens Zusie se Telegram volg nie. Ek weet dit staan doen. Hy het nogals gesê met hierdie hele nuwe China trade deal wat nou oor die naweek aangegaan was,
Sê Linton.
mag ons dalk net November 'n baie beter price delivery kry. Of dit nou op of af is, dit gaan bietjie meer smoother wees. Want dit klink my, daar's klomp mense wat op ek het nou die laaste uur YouTube shorts kyk. Almal sê Oktober was 'n shocker geweest.
Was. Dit is maak is baie hard en maak weer. Ek weet nie hoe dit so hard is. Dit klink
My
vir my
mic?
hard. Hy Linton kyk vir jou op Twitch.
Maar
Ek sal nou-
gaan ons seker stel.
Nee, is fine. Ek hoor jou perfect.
Jy weet dalk jy audio outputs in Twitch of op jou OBS of iets net change.
Ek moet net eers hoor wat hy van praat. So ek net op Twitch gaan.
Man, daar is die trade gestuur.
Check. Oh, beautiful.
Voice settings, sensitivity.
My myself leave vir 'n sekonde.
Speaker cancellation, soundbar volume, soundboard volume. Nee, Tom, sorry. Kan niks aan my kant doen nie. Sorry, nee.
Ek sal gou almal so sagter sit.
Sorry, but not sorry.
Ja, ek skuis, julle is vol blaas in jou kon nie. Wat gebeur? Testing,
Is
John.
excited hoor.
Linton klink dit nou beter.
Ja, kan ons net gou hierdie net verander. Hierdie werk hier is my lekker so op die oog nie.
Hoe klink dit op Twitch vir julle?
Nou kan ons maar wel duidelik sien.
Dit kan weet, dit is allemaal van Mike, maar niet weer vir een of ander rede, maar
Settings.
anders vind ek dit
More settings. Symbols. Orders.
Die vrou vir my te vertel
Sorry.
hoe dinge loop.
Cool.
Zo. Derry. Friggy.
Kennis.
Lekker trein nou, John.
Derry,
Ebo?
praat vir my met oor die botsie, ek wil vir jou Frank oor duidelik vir my gaat 1-2-3.
Nee, John, ek het jare laas al gespeel. Ek het al presies aan jou laas al gespeel.
Maar so dis wat dit klink, hy double feeding is en dit is asof jy echo deurdruk.
Maar ek het nie Discord op, ek nie enige ander feeds op nie.
Ja, ek weet, ek
Ek
verstaan,
weet.
soos wat julle praat, ek vind dit asof julle, weet nie,
Is het nog altyd so, is dit nou vir die eerste keer wat het so deed daar?
Was
nie seker nie.
Was it everyone?
Lekker. Sorry boys, quick one, I need someone's advice that knows a little bit more about trading view than I do.
Yeah.
If I do a split screen, so obviously NASDAQ on the one side and ES on the one side, why doesn't it pull through the indicators?
Try, hè?
They're using the layout function.
Maar nou wat ek
Sorry.
ek was
So it is on my normal NASDAQ window, but if I have ES on the right, it doesn't pull through the indicators like it does on NASDAQ.
Linden, ek dink ek klink dalk nou beter. As ek myself 'n bietjie harder sit.
Not actually sure.
And it's a bit confusing. Let's see if I can add it manually, but then I have to do every single.
Is it on the same account? Like
Yeah. See if I can add it
my
again.
test.
Mic test.
Dit was reg,
low
ja?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, dit was
Ah,
beter.
I have to do the F. Okay, never
Okay.
mind. Load
Okay.
it.
Alles is reg.
Oh, wait. I can maybe do this. Delete that. Sorry. I think I've answered my question here. Settings.
Yes, John, testing 101, thanks. Linton, ek dink hy's nou beter.
More settings. Save template. Save as. Save. Yes. Okay, cool. If I open this one, more settings. Template. Susie. Okay.
Kom jy reg? Ekskuus, ek het glad nie gehoor wat jy was besig om te werk. Ek het nog aan die klank gesort.
Nee, ek gaan weer verduidelik. So as jy 'n split screen doen, hè, links het ek NASDAQ met al my indicators, al my lyntjies en alles.
Ja,
Regs het ek vir ES nou oopgemaak, né?
ja.
Maar my indicators trek nie op ES deur nie.
Kom duplicate jy nie net die ding nie.
Op die duplicate. How does one duplicate?
One right clicks on the tab you want and then you click duplicate.
Ek is op 'n iPad, hè.
O, nee. Ek weet nie hoe hy werk nie. In die sin van
Think layout.
ja, ek save dan net die layout.
Ek het. Ek het dit net getry. Oei, nee, don't do it.
Oh, but iPad but 2 screens. Is it like on one iPad
No,
screen? and
one screen,
chart, or-
one screen.
Yeah,
So
so then
I'll-
is it not that layout where you split the images?
Yeah, so let me share my screen and then you guys will see what I mean.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so check here. Why is this freaking... You know what? Okay, can everyone see that? Okay, so ES is on the right, NAS is on the left. Indicators are there, there's nothing here.
Add jou indicators.
Huh?
Add jou indicators en save die layout.
Ja, net de indicators.
Ja, maar dan moet ik weer al die settings gedoen.
Right click op hom of klik as jy settings kan doen op die indicator self. Dan default. Nee,
As,
gaan terug. Daar default.
Safe.
Ja. Het gaan een oefening wees.
cool.
Save alles
Ja,
as
okay,
jy
cool.
ja, save alles as jy soek, sou aan die ander kant, save die layout, dan gaan jy.
Okay, cool. Kijk, ik zal het nou doen.
Alright.
Spank you.
Is 'n plesier. Yes, van môre af. Môre is die 4 November, dan kan ons live weer op TikTok wees.
Voice. Then you're not going to be showing charts, right? You said you're just going to show your face.
No. So the camera will be on my setup and on me from the background. So I'll move the phone around wherever it's gonna record from. I'll play with the different types of angles, but no, I won't be showing chart. If anyone wants
Yeah.
to see the chart, they can jump in on Discord.
Spirit.
Yes.
Sê maar ek het nou 'n PC en 'n PC met een skerm en 'n laptop, so ek is nou van plan om 'n 40-inch TV te koop nou. Hoe connect ek nou die PC daarop?
HDMI.
Ja, maar die PC het hier HDMI ding as jy.
Dan het jy seker
En-
blou een en jy het so blou poort.
Ja, so blou poort.
Ja, dit noem
Dan moet je VGA to
Yes.
HDMI converter kry.
Hy split besigheid.
Ja, VGA to HDMI en dan kry jy HDMI wat vir jou twee splits gooi en dan hoek jy jou screen en dan wat se nou ook al. So ja, jy kan dit connect, jy gaan dit reg kry.
Okay, nou, ek sal so kyk. En sal ek
Correct.
die
Ja,
TV
ja. Sal 'n foto stuur.
Thank you, brother.
Vraagie, moet ons nie nou die Zusi indicator se setting stel vir die summertime nie?
Nee, want ons werk
Ja,
nog
hy switch klaar, ek het klaar gekyk.
op die einde van die dag swing hy nog, hy maak 4 uur, 5 uur, ag ja, hy switch oor, skus. So dit is ja.
Ja, so hy switch self oor.
Jy sal sien ons is klaar op UTC minus 5.
Ja.
Dit gaan oor die UTC wat onder change ja.
Spirit ek het geweet dat die tyd het sy vanoggend ek trade decks. En ek kan nie verstaan hoekom ACS session is aan 9 o'clock na ACS session en gaan nog steeds.
Ja, jy raak maar, dis maar part van die game, daylight savings, jy raak gewoond aan dit.
It's because of that same daylight savings. I have to work till 1 o'clock in the morning now.
It sucks, eh? but they have to make your cheddar, brother. But I know what you mean. Even the streaming now will go on to 11 at night.
Lekker laat slaap. En nee,
Mooi.
nie die oggend nie. Gelukkig is ek 'n night owl. Alright boys, het julle al top down gedoen?
Okay, klaar. Maar ek kan geweer, ek het net nie die daily geskuif nie.
Ek weet was dat ek sien of jy dieselfde is. Hoekom werk hierdie? Ek gaan iets breek.
Hulle currently in 'n hype-up zone.
Ja, korrek.
Kyk, gooi ek's op.
Previous day high, previous day low. Is nog nie gereach nie. Ek dink is in general liquidity bo, in my opinie, omdat hy net kort gestop het van hom.
Ja,
So as is bo die hourly.
ek het hom op die hourly het hy 'n imbalance kom vul daarso aan die linkerkant.
Hierso.
Daai week wat hy gemaak het.
Ja, hierso.
Yeah,
Ja.
isn't that the most relative one, not the one that's marked out right now? Because that one there is essentially filled. The one at the bottom is not filled.
Yeah, it was used as support. The bottom one.
Yeah, so isn't that our
I just use the
like our
freshest.
recent?
You can use either or. I use the freshest. This is the freshest hourly imbalance. There's no other imbalance.
But it was
up
taken out,
until-
is what I'm saying.
Yeah, correct. It is the price has been balanced out. So buy side, sell side, market maker model came back on the freshest imbalance. So you can even look at it as price tried to close below this imbalance and it failed.
Yeah, so in my
Yeah,
opinion, we are in a buy model currently on the high time frame.
100%.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, gaan we terug 1 hour toe. Sorry.
Dat was op die one, maar ja.
As jy kyk na daai candle, daai groot wiek met die swart klein body links. Net links van hom is mos daai upcross candle daar. Jy kan daai as 'n breaker gebruik.
Correct.
Hy het hom weer kom toets en dan gaan hy weer op. Hy het hom weer kom toets en dan gaan hy weer op.
Ja. Dit is die eerste
Okay, lekker.
Ja. Dis die foundation van 'n reversal, John.
So what, you wait for like the wicks to get filled or to come back to the body and then
Yeah.
reversal.
Ja.
Okay.
So
Is
now
that the
for
same
this
like you know the Thor's hammer candle? Is that the same thing?
I'm not 100% sure. Don't know really Thor's hammer. I know Thor's hammer, but not in trading.
Terry,
Jo.
dink jy wat ek nou wat vir jou stuur van die model, jy het nou daar gepraat van is beter as om ek kyk op die hoë time frame.
Ja, John, ek het die laaste week of die kom ons sê van laasweek donderdag af. Om
Sê
eerlik te
dit.
wees, ek kyk net wat op die hourly aangaan. Ek kyk waar is die PRI is op die hourly en hoe ver hy is van daai areas af.
Ja, daai is eintlik die hourly wat ek nou wou stuur het. En ek het ook basically net iets uit op gemaak op die 1 hour en toe sien ek die models op die en hy is
Ja.
nog besig met hy.
Ja,
Ja, if you can't see it on the 1 hour, you've got no business on the 1 minute. En
Yes.
om die models te kan sien op die uur uitspeel is 'n groot advantage want jy fractalize in jou eie kop om
Wat ek-
te weet wat aangaan op die 1 minute.
ek voel net ek het die laaste ruk waar ek my fout gemaak het, ek was so obsessed met die 1 minute gewees en ek het nooit regtig gefokus op die hourly nie, wat op die hourly aangaan nie. En dit is dit bly altyd jou belangrikste time frame in my opinion. Omdat ons nie day traders is nie,
Correct.
fokus jy nie regtig op wat die mense doen, fokus op die daily want jy kry jou daily POI's daar. Maar ja, die hourly gaan vir jou sê en wat se model jy is. Jy gaan soek net wie schematic waar hy begin het en waar hy nou is. Dan weet jy presies waar die mark is op die einde van die dag. Ooh, hierdie ene gaan ons moet change, the settings moet change.
So Terry, maandag het hy vir ons 'n gap gegee, right? So
Ja.
as prys nou miskien vir ons 'n pak sorry. As prys nou die model complete, die cell curve. So as prys by die gap kom en hy die model is complete, om ons wag tot hy breek.
So gaan sit jou regular trading hours setting aan en gaan sien jy het klaar die gap gevul.
Ja, so daai is net die vraag is so as jy die gap vul, mean daai die model is complete.
Ja, basies, ja. So ek doen altyd in die begin as ek op die 1 hour time frame kom, dan sit ek gou regular trading hours aan en gaan trek ek die opening gap oop. Hy is klaar gevul. Ooh, daar's 'n update. Hallo. Pips is weer besig met die indicator job. Lekker, ry nou.
A free indicator, by the way. Like, can we also use?
Yeah, it's on the Discord.
Nice. Could actually put it in.
Yeah, we've got to indicate link there. Oh, channel.
That's not it. Boys blew a free 50k account today, so need to post that. That was just fun.
Ace.
Ja.
Ons gaan hierdie time and price indicator. Kan jy vir Dallas dalk moet vra, ons moet hom op 'n manier opstel dat hy die UTC is uit. Jy kan hom daar instel nie. Wag, ek bedoel ek gaan dalk met offset hierso.
Nou, wat is die dat maak die sakkie? Die minute skuif nie, minute maak die sakkie.
Ja, dit doen nie. Dis net die blokkie wat hy trek is off center. Maar is alright. Ek gebruik hom anyway nie so baie nie.
Nee, ek ook nie. Hy is van net daar. Maar
Ja.
ek sien wat jy bedoel.
Sien jy die blokkies is off center, maar is fyn. Ek gaan nie myself steur in die blokkies nie. Soos jy sê, ons is maar net die tyd is is relevant. Nie maar lekker. Ek like hierdie deal screen. Nou kan Kippie sien wat hier aangaan. Yes.
Jy gaan ook aan change.
Ja, jy gaan met offset.
Ja. Hierso is
Ja.
UTC.
Ja.
Wag jy nou met dit.
Nee, ek gaan nie nou daai moeite doen om dit te sit en uitvier nie.
Ek gaan dit 'n aankoop van my want ek dink ek is klaar
Jy het
agter
klaar
die.
jou geldjie gemaak, John. Wel dan.
Jy wil nog verder sit nie. So ek gaan dit aankom man.
Nee, lekker. Geniet hom, John. Well done. Hierdie week mooi begin.
Lekker aan man.
Cheers, ja.
Selfde vir jou.
Ek sien JJ is
Man,
chilling
cheers.
with ice cream.
Hey, daar's iets plek vir een romeiskind in hierdie Discord.
Maar kan jy sien hierso in die chat?
Nee.
What's the wave?
Ek kan nie die wave sien, ja.
Nee, aan die linkerkant by die voice channels om te kyk wat se channels in is.
Ja? Nee, ek kan nie dit sien nie. Anyway. Dam.
Hierso.
Right. Ek gaan op ES. Ek gaan 'n bietjie ietsie anders draai hierdie week. ES, nou klik. Daarso.
Terry, did your account get reset then
The cherries.
on Sunday?
No,
Yeah,
so
theories.
I actually broke a rule. Funny enough. I breached the daily loss limit. So
Oh, so
so what
they,
so what happened was when was it, on Thursday? It went up, I think, almost was it 2%? Or just
Yeah.
over 2%, and it came back down
More than one.
to just below break even, and it stopped me out completely. Because it's an active trailing stop, so it dropped
Yeah.
down below that active trailing stop, and it just still licking some wounds, but it's okay.
Oh, but on Sunday you said the payment was gonna renew. So just wondering if it did renew. Like,
No, it
did the
didn't.
payment
So
go off?
no, it didn't go off because I breached the rule, so it's done. Got terminated.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, but it's okay. I was jumping the gun with a 250k account anyway. Back to baby steps.
If you breach a rule, like maximum loss limit or daily loss limit hits, and it doesn't get reset.
No.
And then I lost 2 accounts then.
Really?
Today I made money on my funded account today. Like, I
Okay.
made my 1.5%, and then I was just chilling. I was like, yeah, I can do this. Yeah, 20 lots on my 50k.
Yeah.
Next minute minus 1.5 max loss limit. I was like,
Yo.
oh no,
Yeah,
oh
that's
no.
not
Okay,
like
never mind. Yeah, that's because of 20 lots.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no. So
Previous month high.
yeah, but that one there was a free account.
Ah.
But it's fine. I'm mostly focused on my funded account, and that day was 1.5% up today. That's
Okay.
good.
Yeah, I still have my active account, so which is fine. But I need to start doing like JJ's doing, like passing a few 50k's, 50k's, adding up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan. So different approach, same game plan. Previous month / previous week high. Okay, that's done. Okay, daily. Come on, man. Daily high. No, you drop. Previous daily high. Evil. Previous daily low. Okay. Lekker. Okay. 1 hour. Why did I draw that one? Delete. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. This I can take out. I would like to see price come down to either lunch low or New York AM low on the reverse. Somehow.
Ek het nou net TP geslaan, so ek is chap.
Well done.
Nice, wanneer het jy ingegaan?
Al vroeër,
7 uur gewone tyd.
ek het maar net heeltyd vasgehou. Ek was in op It was 12:06, 12:07.
Nice.
En dan nou maar net my runner toegemaak.
Okay.
Ek het gedink ons gaan beter price action kry as hy nou officially in na 8, maar ja, dit het nou nie gebeur nie.
Ja. Jo, nou gaan my body clock bietjie moet adapt. Maar hierdie kan 'n purge continue wees.
Ja,
I'm in on a demo. Because that was a sweet move now. Broke out of pip zone, came back to 50%, now it's just flying. If you look at it like that.
Ja.
Ja.
Go back in die uit.
Is jy het niks gevat nie.
Ja, ek is nie long.
Waar is hy?
Vir rede, en ons kom met breakdown.
Ja.
Ons het vir 'n halfuur bo equilibrium gechill en nie weer teruggekom nie.
Ja.
So hierdie hele move off. Ag, hierdie hele model, sell model, buy model. Left side of the curve, right side of the curve, is equilibrium. Vir 'n halfuur bo equilibrium gechill. En as jy nou hier kyk,
Sorry, baie vinnig weer terug gaan. Ja.
so as jy nou kyk na vir 'n halfuur hierso gechill en toe hierdie halfuur klaar was, dis sweep by die halfuur. Dan gaan hy op.
Ja. Okay.
My redenasie.
As jy nou weet,
Korrek. Ek sit 10 pips op of so.
So you in from the low of pub zone.
Around about, yeah. So if it breaks this, the moment it breaks this, then I'm in for the go. This level, yeah. But it's very slow price action, so might even just accumulate here for the next hour before the distribution takes place if this is just accumulation. But I'm liking the price action because it's making high highs and high lows.
I like it what it did there as it came out of pub zone. Broke out of pub zone, came back into that 50%.
Yeah,
You see that?
yeah.
That little wick there.
Beautiful when you see it.
So nice.
Yeah, you talking about this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
mag nie. Dit is 29 long entry. Wat dan? JJ is in dieselfde baie as jy.
Ek is ook op 29, JJ. Ek is op 149 en 149. Ek is... No, ek is op 31. So... 31. Maar as jy dieselfde gesien, JJ. So, that's good.
Julle moet 'n lekker aand hê.
Rian,
Dit
ek
is
gaan
wel-
jou weer terug te hê, jong man. En ek sien
Ja,
jou
welcome
hopelik môre of wanneer ook al.
100%. I'm
Terug
feeling
op
much
TikTok.
better, man.
Nee, ek is nou maar Discord. Ek gaan nou maar hier in die Discord bly.
Okay.
maar my tuiste.
Wel ja, jy moet jou rol vol staan hè.
Ja.
Het jy vir jou vrou gesê jy het 'n prefek geword?
Ja, ek weet nie.
Ja, is daar nou nie iets om reis te skryf nie.
Ja, ek was laasweek, ek het laasweek het ek ek het die week voor dit het ek my verstand aan uitgehaal.
Lekker.
En laasweek het ek hoe kan ek dit mooi stel, het ek baie erg diarree gekry.
Ja. Daar was baie mooi gestel, dankie.
Ja. Ja.
Sy het 'n bietjie van 'n Simonella amper
Ek was
ingehaal.
baie lank so siek, hoor. Ja, ek het dit gevoel het. Ja. Jy sê my, hoe sê ek vir my dokter? Ek sê vir my dokter, ek het letterlik al die TV medikasie het ek nou al gebruik. Ek word nou 'n bietjie ietsie professioneel.
Ja, ek was laas naweek was ek in hospitaal self, bloedvergiftiging, septiseem in 'n sin. So ek was ook op sterk antibiotika. JJ kap hom sommer 'n gieter gehad, mooi in Afrikaans. En gister en vandag is ek bietjie vrot van die verkoue. So van dat ek voel nou 'n bietjie beter. Maar ja, ek het simpatie vir jou, ek was ook bietjie down vir 'n rukkie.
Ek het ook nadat ek ordentlike medikasie in het, lekker sterk antibiotika, lekker probiotiek. En ek dink dit was Vrydag, ja. Vrydagoggend toe ek wakker word. Ek voel ek soos 'n nuwe mens ou.
Dit is 'n lekker gevoel.
Dit is lekker gevoel as jy weer eens nie voel. Dit is. So
Ja, en daai energie is nog steeds by my. En dit is daarom al 'n paar dae later, so ek is bly vir dit.
ek bly om toe.
Ja,
Maar
julle moet geniet.
Ek
Ek is weer môre aan hierso.
Ja, lekker aan chill. Tik môre.
Ek het vergeet van die 1 hour on move. Ek het 7 uur begin in plaas van 8 uur. So
Nou is okay.
môre aan onthou 8 uur.
Ja,
All good.
Ek mag gewend aan met die middag. Maar ja, all good.
Sweet, enjoy.
Nie dit.
Cheers.
What is that box that you marked out now?
I was waiting for you to ask. That box was specifically drawn out for you.
What is that?
That is the loading or the I'm preempting or what's the right word? Procasting? No, not procasting, like procrastinating. No.
Like forecasting.
Projecting. That's the word I was looking for. Sorry, my brain is still getting back where it should be. I'm projecting the next 30-minute cycles pip level already. Does that make sense?
No. Okay, 30-minute cycle.
Yeah,
Okay, gotcha.
so there we go. JJ, dan moet jy 30-minute pip cycle, 100%. But as ons nou, if you look at it as accumulation, manipulation, distribution, if price then holds above the accumulation's pip zone, we're looking for a nice distribution on upwards.
Ja.
But this is just fractalizing from the 90 to the 30, and me just burning time, because I don't usually keep a trade for this long, but I've taken an entry on micros, so if it, yeah, it's definitely not gonna ruin my mood if I take a loss. So I'm about back at entry now where it was anyways.
Let me take a entry on micros.
Yeah.
I'm asking why, like why the sudden
Oh,
change?
just for now? No. It's just to get the bus rolling again. I just took a couple of micros just to, I want to say, get the week started. So if I make like $200-300, it's okay.
Um,
And I'm trying to also incorporate what, same as Terry, I want to try mentally prep myself to be able to take partials. So
Yeah.
to do like 10 or 20 micros, so I can go 777 micro.
Yeah, that's why I like the minis, the micros instead of the normal,
Yeah,
because you can take those partials and leave runners.
yeah.
I don't think you want for leaving runners in general.
So that's a big drop.
Guys, can I ask you a question? There's whenever you pass the funded, right? Does Bullanox also have this? You have to make 23% of your best day profit in a certain amount of days.
That is your consistency rule.
That also it has to be like that.
No, well, Bullanox, the consistency rule, you have to make 40% of your best day, which is much more lenient than any other prop firm. Yeah, 40% as JJ said there. 40% for Bullanox, where all the other prop firms hit you with a 20%. So they're like crippling you in effect. Or not crippling you, they're just tying you up. If you make $1,000 a best day, you make $1,000. On average, you're just allowed to make $200 after that for 10 days consistency, or just at least 10 days minimum trading, and then consistently making $200 all roundabout. That's like,
But it sounds like the other way around. From how you explain it, sounds the other way around. It sounds like Bullanox is actually hitting you with a high value, because if you need to make 40% of your best day every day, be consistent.
so I just say that again.
Because you have to make 40% of your best day, which means you have to make like $400, whereas this prop firm is 23% of your best day.
But okay, cool. So which one would you prefer?
$230.
Would you rather want to make $200 a day, or would you rather want to make $400 a day?
Well, yeah, fair, but now I'll be fighting to reach $400. You know what I mean?
No. You just need to be below below your consistency. So get one decent trade of let's say $2,000. Now you're up 4% for your account. If it's what? No, not 4%. Let's not talk percentage wise. You need one big trading day, and then you need to keep it. Whatever your biggest P&L was, you need to stay below 40% of it. Yes,
Okay.
also it has to be 26% of your base rate, and that sucks. It 100% does suck. Well, not just suck.
Yeah,
I won't say
that's an ETF.
Yeah, and it's
So
still they're
ETF, the
capping
rules
you.
are, the objectives are, you need to make $100 a day, and you need to be 23% of your best day
Yeah, but
profit.
still, that's bullshit. That is really it is, because why would you want to only make a little bit of money? To make 2% is doable on any account. Now, if 2% on 100K is $2,000, you're allowed to make $800 a day. That is your consistency rule, where you're only allowed to make $400 if it's 20, well, a little bit more than $400. If you make $1,000, you need
but
to
you
make
know the-
260 a day. Make it count, or else it's not an active trading day. Yeah, that sucks even more. If that is the rule, they're making you jump through hoops. That is.
Yeah, but now let's say if it's Bullanox, and if Bullanox has 40%, that means you have to make $400 in a day.
But no, it's
Otherwise,
not you
it doesn't
must.
count as an active trading day.
But there's no. You can make $5 and it's an active trading day with Bullanox.
Oh, okay. the Bullanox doesn't have this stupid rule.
No, I wouldn't even trade a prop if they're forcing me to make profits to make it count. Personally.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took me out like $150. No.
Minus 1,040.
No, I won't trade I wouldn't even trade a prop from if they're making me. I need to make a minimum. And is that the rule? You need to make 20% of your best to make the day count.
Hey, you want me to share my screen and show you?
Is what is that? Elite fund? Yeah, near what is that? Elite funder trading?
Yeah, elite
Nah, it's okay. Okay, cool.
trader.
I'll have a
Yeah, elite trader funding.
I'll have a hard pass on my side. They're making
gonna
it
take a screenshot.
almost impossible. No, I won't say almost impossible. You need to have such a good win rate, number one, just to keep the boat afloat. And then, what's the consistency rule? Is it also the same thing?
Yeah, I'm setting up the details now. I'm not gonna put it there. I'm sending it to you privately as a direct message.
No worries.
Yeah, I did. I did before also. Look there. It says there days with 23% of best day profit, and then days with $100 profit. So like you also
Yes.
this thing also is not like telling you also can't like overtrade.
No, true. I think that's where props actually help is to steer people away from overtrading. It's like FTMO, for an example. You're not allowed to risk more than 1% at all at any time. That's a new rule they've implemented a while ago, and I think that's brilliant because people just over leverage and go boss. But to force you to make a percentage of your max P&L for a certain number of days, that's like you need to be perfect every time on your entries. Or not perfect. You need to catch good trades.
But like you see in but like you see in this one, in this instance, it doesn't hurt me because 23% is my $100 profit target,
I hear you.
which is my 1%.
Is this on a 10k?
Yeah. This is the one that's funded.
Yeah. Oh, sure. It's just a lot of hoops, brother. It's I'm not bagging on them. On the contrary,
It is. No, for real, it is. That's why I was asking if Bullanox has it also.
No, Bullanox is straight. There's two rules of Bullanox: 40% consistency rule and minimum 10 days trading. That's it.
That 40% is not like this. It just means that you need to just be. What is the 40% rule?
Once again, you're not allowed to make. If you need to be consistently under 40% or less than your highest P&L. So if I make $1,000, for an example, on average I should be around 350 to 500 ish. Well, 300 and 500 ish in my trading P&L that I make forward. So it gets to about $400 average. I'm allowed to have $700 days, but that's going to blow my consistency out a little bit. But then you take two trades, we make $100 or $200, and it's just to bring it down to consistency again.
Okay. Yeah, because the thing is cock, because you have those bad days where you have that one bad day where you just do one bad trade and you're already like almost at your max loss for the day, and then you go in on the second trade, you recover, and then you're done for the day,
Yeah.
You recover with like maybe plus $100 up instead of your normal $500 up for your 1%, and we'll just call it a day like that. In this account, you can't do that. You need to meet your minimum target, and you need to meet your 23%.
Yeah, once again, that's like a lot of hoops, eh?
Mm.
Lekker.
Lekker.
So what's die next drawn on liquidity hierso?
Onder of bo? Albei is daar. Maar ek is nie baie convinced nie. Dink hier gaan seker afgaan.
Ja.
Hy het nou ordentlik 'n sweep gevang hierso.
Wel hy's uit hierdie in PMA het hy daai laaste 30 minute se equilibrium kon toets.
Ek het net gereject op time price hieronder. Ja, ek gaan nie eens hierdie trades vat nie. Ek nog gedink ek sê daar deurbreek. So 37. Eintlik het hy 37. Ja, displays hier 37. Dan gaan hy gaan.
Hallo. Daar is 'n vinnige spike.
Immediate rebalance. Hy gaan afgaan. Ja, dat is 'n perfekte IRB. So nou kan ons hierdie pips skuif. Staai oukie. Wel. So hierdie gaan seker gevat het, sal dit as ek het nie. En nou hier kom toemaak hierdie.
Ek voel nog steeds ons gaan opgaan.
Hy het lunch high gevat. Original move was af. En hy het nog die Asia low of hierdie klein gap kom al hier onder. Hierdie week se opening gap.
Ja.
Dis omtrent 'n groot rol liquid. Yes, ja, ek moes dit raak gesien het. Ja, ek gaan nie nou weer daai oopmaak nie. Dit was dom van my. Die rede hoekom mense moet analyse.
Kom ons kyk wat maak hy met lunch equilibrium. Wel, ES is deur midnight open en Nasdaq's nog bo midnight open.
Ek moet net bietjie my kans bly.
So waar?
Ja. Dan price was hier so alles het mooi opgeset vir hierdie Wat is so net hierdie? Gaan hierdie ding my nou dit gaan YouTube gaan my nou weer skop want dat jy ek gaan hier stop stream en gaan